Have you ever had the good fortune to see in person an object made entirely of brilliantly colored feathers? Well, the Mexica or Aztecs of central Mexico, who forged a powerful empire between the 14th and 16th centuries, so valued featherworks that they didn't require taxes from the group of artists who made them. Meet the AMANTECA. The AMANTECA were a group of artists who specialized in producing these gorgeous, refined, feathered objects, including fans, shields, capes, banners, costumes, and headdresses. They lived in a specific neighborhood in the Mexica capital of Tenochtitlan, which is now Mexico City. That neighborhood was called Amantla, and it is where we get the name AMANTECA. To make these incredible featherworks, the AMANTECA required numerous different brilliantly colored feathers. They didn't just use local birds, but had feathers from the far reaches of the Aztec Empire and beyond. When the Mexica conquered an area, they required tribute, and feathers became an important tribute item. They also traded for feathers, such as the tail feathers of the resplendent quetzal from Central America. The AMANTECA also used feathers from birds like macaws, hummingbirds, cotingas, ducks, herons, spoonbills, egrets, and so many more birds. We learn a lot about the AMANTECA and their craft by looking at an important encyclopedia known as the Florentine Codex, made after the Spanish conquest between 1575 and 1577. It includes numerous illustrations made by indigenous artists displaying how the AMANTECA cut up feathers and then glued or adhered them to a backing to craft these stunning objects. For some objects, the feathers were left whole. Here you can see the AMANTECA creating a large feathered headdress similar to the one we saw at the beginning.